Hey everyone, this is sha-na-nah and welcome to Mask Monday. That's been something I've been thinking about doing for a while because with all of the Ipsy bags that I get and Walmart beauty boxes, I have quite a few masks that I need to start using, and it may as well commit to doing something like this so I can get to pamper myself. I got two masks right here that I could find right off. This one is a Dead Sea wash off mask with salts and minerals from the Dead Sea, 15 minute face and body therapy. I'm thinking about this one or this one, the charcoal clay mask, refreshing pore care. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one, the refreshing pore care, because as I'm getting older, I see my pores are getting a little more visible. Okay, it says it's an oxygen bubbling mask. It's invigorating clay mask infused with the powerful purifying benefits of active benzoate charcoal and oxygen to refine and refresh pores. It says it's fragrance free. So that's it, and this is the name brand, I guess. I've never heard of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm about to clean my face, and I'm gonna try something else while I'm at it. This is Biore Free Your Pores. Oh, I love that. Charcoal, great for oily skin. I'm oily. I'm like a combination. It says removes makeup, deep cleans pores, and refreshes. Micellar, is that the way you pronounce it? It says no need to rinse. We're going to see if this works. Put it around my freckles because you can really see. It says you test a small amount on the inner lower arm. You know what? No. Just gonna put it on my face. The bottom. After thoroughly cleansing your skin, apply an adequate amount evenly on dry or damp face, carefully avoiding your eyes and mouth area. When oxygen bubbles start to form, gently massage in using fingertips from the nose. Okay. Keep on no more than 3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water and follow with your skincare routine. Is that what it's doing right there? Bubbling? Yep, I feel it tingly. You know, it reminds me of those, that candy that pops in your mouth. What are those? back in a minute. I'm back. My face feels taut. It feels clean, soft. Yeah, I know I'm not supposed to be rubbing it with my hands, but they're clean. And it says follow with your normal skincare routine. Right now, I've been using the new Avon, the new skincare line. That's what I love. Skin Invincible is what I'm using. I got the day and the night cream, and this is my night cream. Should let you look at my pores before and after. Yep, that's it. Now for this Soo'Ae, I don't know how you pronounce that, but I give it 2 thumbs up because it feels so good. Those bubbles when they were, it reminds me of what happens in your mouth when you put those pop rocks in there, you know, just all over your face. And I give the Biore charcoal micellar water, I give it a thumbs up too. I'm not used to this. I think that's all I wanted to talk about on this session. I get it all off. Yeah, I'm gonna have better lighting, especially when I start, since I'm starting to do this thing here, and maybe one day I can just put on my makeup, show y'all what I do, but somebody had asked for that, you know, so I will oblige. So until next time, remember, love ya.